Hello guys, welcome to Hedgehog Tech. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you open a file that crashed. Uh, there can be certain reasons for that crash. Your computer might freeze or unplugged unintentionally, and that kind of things might have happened. So how can you open this file? Uh, for example, a file has been crashed and you are trying to find where it is. It's quite easy. Just click the word and the open this view. Then at the left you can see an open, and at the end of the open there is a button called recover unsaved documents. Click that and you can see the recovery folder of Microsoft Word. Then you can find your last saved file without a problem, and that's it. Actually, if a file has crashed, then Word shows a little toolbox here to click the last recovery, but sometimes it might not appear at the left. So in that case, you can use that button to save your unsaved files. Thank you for watching me, and subscribe the channel. I need many subscribers, okay? Just help me. I'm doing that for you, you bitches. Okay, goodbye.